something new, man. Oh my. Change the wiring to your VSS. Literally, I have a video. I'm pulling it up as I'm talking. Just literally open your loom and find the purple and green wire that are loomed together. They're the only ones in the wire loom in the engine bay that are spun up together. Like they're together. Go and cut those and rewire the fucking VSS. I promise you, you will fix your problems. My speedometer and my transmission was not coming out of first. My speedometer was not working and my transmission was not coming out of first gear. And if it did, it would stay in second and not come out of second. So if that's your problem, redo the wiring. For some reason, on the way from the transfer case harness all the way up to the engine bay, somewhere in between that, the wiring gets frayed and fucked up. So just literally rewire it, do what I did, and you will save yourself a headache. I promise you, if you have the same issues as me, that is your problem. Yo, I thought I was tripping while I'm sitting here, but look at the, yo! There's water just leaking from you right here.